Hey guys, are looking for a fun way to add some flair to your Instagram reels? In this video, I'll show you how to easily add stickers to your Instagram reels. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, we will simply open our Instagram mobile application. Then you have to swipe right to bring up your camera, and then you have to shift it to, then you have to tap on the reels option at the bottom. And now you can either record a reel or upload a video from your gallery. I'm simply going to create a reel. Once you are done with your reel, now in order to add the stickers to your Instagram reel, simply tap on the sticker icon at the top, and now you have ability to add different stickers. You can add a poll, a quiz, a time, or a date, and many other things. For example, you can add the date by just tapping on that, and you can make it a bigger or smaller and adjust it where you want to add. So now all you have to do next is tap on add music that you normally do while creating your reels, and then once you are done, you have to tap on next and post it on your Instagram. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.